In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack email address in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your email to match a new company domain or simply need to switch to a different account, I'll walk you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Slack website. Open your preferred browser and type in slack.com to get started. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a variety of options, but what you're looking for is the Sign In with Google button. Clicking this allows you to gain access through your Google account, which keeps things simple and streamlined. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Slack dashboard. This is your workspace hub where you typically interact with your teams, check messages, and manage various settings. Here, you'll need to navigate to your profile section. Locate your profile picture or your initials, usually found in the upper right corner, and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Profile. Now within your profile, you need to find the Tools and Settings option. Clicking here helps you manage various account settings and preferences, including those related to notifications and personal information. Scroll through the options until you find Billing. This might seem indirect, but it's the initial step towards accessing account settings related to your email. Next, you need to head over to Account and Profile. This option takes you to the settings page where you can manage both workspaces and personal account details. Click on Account and Profile and you should be directed to an area where email changes can be handled. Look for the email address tab. Once you find it, click on it to bring up your current email details. Here you'll want to click on Update Email. This button allows you to alter the email address currently associated with your account. Enter your new email address carefully to avoid typos, which could complicate this process. Verify the new email address by following any prompts or confirmation messages that appear. Usually you will need to check for a confirmation email sent to the new address. Once you've confirmed, make sure to save your changes. Your Slack email has now been successfully updated. Remember, it may also be necessary for you to log back in using the new email address. And there you have it, you've just updated your Slack email in a few easy steps. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, Mastay, Tsujimeji.